Today we're going to make a pocket tissue holder that has space for the tissue, for lip balm, and for antibacterial hand cleaner. We need 3 separate pieces of fabric. We need a piece of fabric for the outside, 5.5 by 6.5. We need a lining fabric, 5.5 by 7.5. And we need the pocket, 4.5 by 7. Our first step will be to finish the top of the pocket. We're going to fold it over 1/4 of an inch, iron it down, and then we're going to fold it over 1 more 1/4 of an inch and iron that down. Alright, I've ironed that down. I did a 1/4, folded it over, did a 1/4 again. I'm going to take it to the machine and I'm going to catch right along here. I've made my top stitch here. We're going to need to use the outside fabric next. This is the outside fabric I'm using. I'm going to take it the long way, and on these long edges I'm going to align the bottom of this, of the pocket. It's going to hang over a bit. We'll take care of that in just a bit. Right now we're going to just stitch this down. Right, that side's finished. We're going to do the same over on the other side. We're going to move this a bit. We'll have this extra gap in here. We'll stitch down this side now. Okay, we have both sides stitched. We have this extra fabric. We're going to use it to make a pleat in the middle. You can just eye it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to call that good. Now I'm going to stitch along the bottom, catching the pleat. All right, we have both sides stitched. We have our pleat. Now we're going to use our lining piece of the fabric. This was my choice for lining. I'm going to put that face up. I'm going to take this piece and put it face down, right side facing down. Again, we're going to have extra over here. We're good with that for now. We need to stitch along this edge right here. Okay, so we caught this one. Now we need to catch this side over here. We're going to scooch it on over too. It'll be puckered underneath, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and stitch this. All right, both sides caught, a little puckering. It's all right, we're going to turn this inside out now. And here's why it's okay, because we actually want some of the lining showing. So we're going to iron this down. We're going to eye it first. Make sure the same amount of lining is showing on this side as is this side. And then iron it down. Now what we want to do is take these outside edges that have the lining showing and move them to the center. Both sides. You can eye it, or you can measure it if you'd like. I'm going to eye it. I'm going to call that good. I want to iron that down. Right, now I'm going to take it to the machine. I'm going to sew both sides here and here. If you want to serge it, you can. I'm just using a straight stitch. If I wanted, I could go back and do a zigzag on top. I decided not to. All right, we're going to turn this inside out. We're going to turn this right side out, actually. So this is what we have so far. Our tissues are going to go in here, and back here is where we'll be able to put our lip balm and our antibacterial hand cleaner. Tissue, lip balm, antibacterial hand cleaner, all in one.